Hey everyone, I wanted to do the next Spongebob and I'm gonna do the pink. I used it says it shows a pink, but it's more like a rose gold. This is from the, what is it, the Pump collection from Wet n Wild. We're gonna start off with that beautiful pink right here. Got one more procedure I need to do. I have a stone stuck in my ureter. I think another one might be stuck there because I've been feeling this weird pain. Wow, that's pretty. And then my left side still has stones in them. So my left side has stones, my right side has 2 stones, or at least one stuck in the ureter. This is a gorgeous pink, and I'm going to put this pink, here we go, this pink right there in the outer corners. It's a pink with like a tiny bit of shimmer, so now I'm gonna take this, where is it? This pink right here for the crease and that pink for the highlight. I am so sorry. Sorry, the camera was kind of off, so sorry if you didn't see that. I'm doing both right now. I'm really hoping that I do not wind up in the hospital again with an infection, but at least the doctor was honest about it and said that he can't guarantee that won't happen again because stones have bacteria in them. Thank you, Stephanie, because I'm getting old and senile. I can't remember things anymore.
Me either.
Okay. So, I'm really hoping I don't spend Thanksgiving in the hospital. My procedure's next week. I did try getting another urologist, but they are all don't have appointments till like next year or mid-December, and I can't take the chance that they can't do the procedure. So we were like, the devil you know is better than the devil you don't, and he did keep his word about putting in the stints with the strings. So hopefully that'll be that. So he'll put the stints with the string. I can take them out and on my own, I guess a week or 2 later. I really just don't want to spend Thanksgiving in the hospital. Okay, let's move on to blush. I chose this really pink one here. Okay, and I decided to, oh shoot, how do you do this? Oh, I forgot these do this. put the little flower ones. I have no idea where, but I'll just put it right here. That's cute though. You gotta admit, that's cute. I don't know where else to put them, because I still got to put my yellow concealer on, so maybe after. I do not like using liquid liner on the bottom, but oh, that's too dark. All right, that's not gonna work. I'm gonna have to clean that up. Yeah, so this is dark enough to use as eyeliner. All right, the last thing I need to show you before I finish my makeup is the lick ups. I got that from my daughter. She used to always call it, my middle girl used to call it lick ups. And now me and my older daughter say it all the time. Instead of lipstick, we say lick ups. And then, so this lipstick is a nude. And just like last week, I almost forgot using this. I love these little chains here. Last week it was like everywhere, and now I'm barely getting anything out. Pretty though. Tastes good too. Well, it smells good anyway. Alright, I'm gonna finish my makeup and all. I put the nude lipstick because my lips absorbed a lot of the gloss. They still had some gloss on it. But, so, it's really pretty. It smells good. I just don't like that minty feeling. It might be a plumping gloss. I don't know. Okay. And I just used, again, my Pump collection. You can see it's like almost done. The pink side is almost done too. They have the pink, and the warm. So I just used this for the highlight. I used this for my nose because my bronzer kind of finished. All that was really left was the gold part. So to tone down that gold, I did that. And I tried to do those flowers on my cheeks. I don't know. Or stars. I don't know. Kind of looks weird to me. So yeah, so that's what I did. Yes, you can see my receding hairline. I use like a pastel purple on my hair, and it comes out pretty quickly. So all I have left is the bluish purple, and I use the powder because of my receding hairline, and yeah. My scraggly hair. I started taking hair vitamins. The Hair Growth Co. went back to their old ingredients, and now they have hair vitamins as well. So I'm hoping that this is gonna help, because it's not just age. It's the kidney failure. So your body, the kidney failure causes like hormonal imbalances, and see if that'll help with my hair. Okay. Oh, and then also I found out that pumpkin seed oil helps. I got the vitamin and the hair. I'm just desperately trying to get my thick, beautiful hair back. But yeah, so this is it. I just really wanted to finish the Spongebob so that I can do the Disney villains wanted to try out and have fun with all of that good stuff. Yeah, and then when the when I get the PR box for the Hello Kitty, I'll do swatches and do makeup with that. So anyway, yeah, I'm old. I'm gonna have another procedure. So in case I don't see you, happy Thanksgiving and possibly Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. So yeah. Mwah. Bye.